Good morning, today's March 15th, and today's refinishing project is located in Danville, California. All right, so today in Danville, we're gonna be refinishing this steel porcelain overlay bathtub here. It's in decent condition. It's kind of worn on the inside, a few chips here and there. And then some rust around the overflow here, which is not too bad. We can take care of that, no problem. Overall, it's decent. Just minor rust and chips here and there. Customer replaced the surround with this stone tile. It looks fantastic. The guy did a really good job. It's really nice. So in order to save money, they wanted to keep the tub and have it fully refinished, because pulling a bathtub out and redoing the plumbing and install and everything, it could run additional thousands of dollars. So the alternative would be applying a coating on here, and that's where we come in. So this bathtub here will take approximately 5-6 hours to complete, and once it's done, it's going to look beautiful with this new tile surround. All right, so this is a job for today in Danville, California, and we'll follow up once we're done. Thanks for watching. All right, so the bathtub's complete here in Danville, California. Let's check it out. Big difference with the tile and the new finish on the tub. It makes a big difference in here. It looks really good. So, all right, this is Bathtub in Danville, California. If you're interested in any of our refinishing services, you can reach us at 925-516-7900. We service the entire Bay Area.